Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Trends. My name is Hamad Tariq. In this video I am going to tell you about Apple iPhone 13 review, introduction and unboxing. So keep watching my video till end. One small reduction of the notch, one giant leap for the iPhone. That's the best description for the most minor iPhone upgrade yet, the Apple iPhone 13. But even if it won't make Apple 12 owners line up for the new model, like it or not, the iPhone 13 is still one of the most powerful smartphones on the market and a bestseller in the making. The notorious notch, first introduced back with the iPhone X in 2017, spread in mere months across the entire smartphone industry, possible faster time than any other feature so far. It has since evolved it to droplets, punch holes, or gone thanks to pop-up or under-screen selfie. But for the first time in 4 years, Apple has shrunk its size, although not by much, and the process of getting rid for it has finally began. The predictions for the iPhone 14 are already running wide. It is wrong to focus on just the notch size with iPhone 13. This standard 13 model has a 6.1 Super Retina XDR OLED screen with Dolby Visions, now with higher brightness, the most powerful mobile chip to date, the Apple's A15 Bionic, and 3 nicely capable 12MP cameras, 2 at the back and 1 at the front. Apple has used a new, larger sensor for the main camera and has the sensor shift stabilization for last year's 12 Pro Max and tricked down across the entire iPhone 13 lineup. Other twists include double base storage, a larger battery, and a couple of exclusive software tricks for the camera like cinematic mode and photography styles. And that's it, a brighter screen with a smaller cutout, a faster chipset, more storage, more battery, and an improved sensor on the main camera. Not the upgrade iPhone 12 users have been hoping for, but a massive one for anyone using an older gen iPhone. The biggest letdown has to be the missing promotion spot. The 120Hz refresh rate is exclusive to the Pro model this year, and we guess the base models will have to wait a year or two before they are allowed to have it. The ultra-wide camera autofocus upgrade is also exclusive to the Pro series, which is not great, but it's what Apple usually does, so not surprising either. Unboxing the iPhone 13. There is not a whole lot to unbox with the iPhone 13 as Apple has expelled everything but the USB cable from the iPhone retail boxes, with the goal of reduction electronic waste, the extra profit being just a bonus. This year it has gone even greener by ditching the plastic wrapping wherever wrapping was needed. Apple has used paper stickers, so inside this thin and light white box, you will find the iPhone 13 and a USB-C of lightning cable. Apple has still not switched to USB-C on the iPhones from various reasons, most of them being accessories, compatibility and electronic waste. The EU Commission is pressing for such change, so we are either seeing the last of lightning cable iPhone or, knowing Apple, the last of iPhones with any sort of USB ports. The small paper compartment contains some paperwork, the SIM ejection pin and 1 Apple stickers. Please subscribe my channel, do not forget to like, comment and share with friends. Meet you in next video.